In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find marketing jobs on Glassdoor. Whether you're on a computer or using the mobile app, I'll walk you through a clear, simple workflow so you can quickly discover roles that match your skills and interests. First, open Glassdoor in your browser or launch the app and sign in. If you don't have an account yet, it only takes a minute to create one. Signing in ensures you can see full job details, save roles to review later, and keep your preferences synced across devices. While you're there, consider completing your profile and adding your location and desired salary range. This helps Glassdoor surface more relevant listings. Next, use the search bar to look for marketing roles. Type job titles or keywords like marketing manager, social media specialist, or content strategist. You can also include niche skills such as SEO, email marketing, or analytics to refine your results. Don't forget the location field. Enter your city, a broader region, or remote if you're open to working from anywhere. Now, hit search to open the job listings page. You'll land on a results feed tailored to your keywords and location. This is your hub to explore opportunities, skim headlines, and spot patterns in titles, seniority levels, and industries. If the list looks too broad at first, that's perfectly normal. We'll tighten it up next. Before we continue, quick note. If you need the app or the website, you'll find the download links for iOS and Android, along with the direct website link, right at the top of the description so you can get set up fast. Back on the listings, click Filters to narrow things down. Set a salary range that matches your expectations. Choose a job type such as full-time, contract, or internship, and use company rating to focus on workplaces with strong reviews. You can also dial in options like experience level, distance, on-site versus remote, and date posted to see the freshest openings first. The goal is to make the feed reflect what you actually want, so you spend less time sifting and more time applying. Finally, browse the filtered results and open roles that catch your eye. Read the descriptions carefully to confirm responsibilities, required skills, and location details. Compare compensation ranges, benefits, and company culture notes from employee reviews. If something looks promising, save it so you can return later and keep your search organized. That's it. You can now easily find marketing jobs on Glassdoor. If you found this helpful, be sure to check the links at the top of the description. Thanks for watching.